Hey guys, thank you for joining me on CV Shaves for another shave. What a great shave I've got lined up. Right, razor. This is the Merkur or Merkur 39C Slant, also nicknamed the Sledgehammer. You can see the slant bar. Nice, heavyweight, and it's the big brother to the 37C, Merkur 37C. It's a two-piece. If I can undo it, it's a two-piece. Nice handle, nice barber pole handle, nice barber pole knurling for the grip. It's a two-piece, and inside there today I'm using a feather for the second use. So I'll load that up now. Just bear with me. I've got something to show you as well. I've got a few things to show you. Right, here we go. Feather blade. It's probably upside down, but there you go. Just pop it in there. And then we shall proceed without slicing one's fingers. Head goes on. It doesn't matter which way, it go either way they said, it doesn't matter. And tighten it up. And then you can see there, see the blade, see how it's slanted. So this razor still cuts downwards, if you know what I mean, but the blade cuts like that. It's a bit like a guillotine. And the brush I'm going to be using is the Yaki 24mm tuxedo knot red marble handle. Really good performing brush. Right, the soap. The soap is, I've been dying to use this. The soap is Ariana Evans Revolution. And I've got to tell you guys, oh my god, when I first opened this, there's a lot going on in this soap. There's a hell of a lot going on in this soap. And I've written it down, so if you bear with me, because the description, it's absolutely bang on. Right, I'll just read it to you. The soap is simultaneously daring and refined. Based around strong olfactory contrast, it offers a highly addictive explosion of spices, and that's what I got when I opened the lid and smelt it. Bang! There's a lot going on. Built on a balmy, woody vetiver trail. Now you can smell the woodiness in it and the vetiver. Top notes of juicy grapefruit, which I'm not getting when I smell the pork. Bergamot, I get that. Pink pepper, I don't know what that smells like, so I wouldn't know. And they are joined in the heart by saffron, cinnamon and lavender. I can get the lavender and the saffron, not so much cinnamon to my nose. Further deepened in the base notes by vetiver, tobacco and leather accord. Now you can get the vetiver, tobacco and leather. I can smell that. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And it describes it as a masculine and versatile scent, and it is. So there you go. It's an unbelievable scent, honest to God. And I love A&E soaps, and it is versatile because I tried to marry it up with other aftershaves, and it goes with so many, but I've chose one which it really matches quite well. And don't you just love the label? It's a samurai sword, and I don't know if you could tell from the thumb note. This is mine. This is my samurai sword. There we go. That's my samurai sword. And it is an ornament, purely used for an ornament. I don't know what that says, if anybody can translate it, if you know what that says, or should it be that way. Beautiful handle on it. And this is a replica of the Last Samurai. the sword he used at the end. Absolutely beautiful piece of work. I love it, and it is an ornament. It stays downstairs on a cabinet. What do you mean? Like to see you have a shave with it? Like to see you shave with it? No chance. Right, and I've got a bit in a new bowl of the soap. My new fine accoutrements bowl. Lovely bowl. Right, so let's get wet in the face and get lathering. Been looking forward to using this soap. I had a shave planned, but I couldn't wait to use this soap. Right, here we go. 3 flicks of the brush. Let's get lathering. So how are you guys, okay? I hope so. I hope you've been having some great shaves. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. And I know A&E soaps are thirsty, but I like that. I prefer to add the water rather than trying to take it away, which you can't. And I really love that. Oh, the smell. I'm getting a bit of cinnamon now that it's lathering. Just keep dipping the tips into the water. I'm enjoying this bowl. First time I've used this bowl. We're nearly there, guys. Yeah, I hope you're having some great shaves. And I believe, I think this soap came out in the States. For you guys over there, was it about 2 months ago? I could be wrong, could be a little bit more, it could be a little bit less, I'm not sure. But I've only just about managed to get this last week over in the UK. And I get my A&E soaps from Slick Boys in the UK, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can have a look for yourselves. The only thing is that I have noticed though, when they get the new stock in, you've got to be quick, because I have witnessed watching when they've got the stock in of a certain soap and it's gone in half an hour. Seriously, it's out of stock in half an hour. Look at this, guys, honest to God. Look at this. Absolutely perfection. Right, let's get lathering. Looking forward to this. Oh, beautiful scent. Absolutely stunning. There's a lot going on in this soap. I mean, I know some of you guys aren't really interested what's in it and everything like that. Maybe, yeah, you're interested in the base notes, but the description, absolutely spot on. So well done, Peter. Absolutely stunning soap. Yeah, I got this last week. I got the 2 together. I got another one as well because they'd just got them in stock at Slick Boys. I thought I'd better get them quick. Like I just said, I know how quickly sell out. Right. Looking forward to this. I'm like a kid in a sweet shop. I can't help it, I'm sorry. Well, I'm not sorry, but absolutely love it. Get some heat in the blade. Make sure it's tight. Very little overhang, very little overhang. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, enough to be aware of. And the first time I used this, I was like trying to keep the blade, the angle straight, and you know yourself you don't, because you just go down. But yeah, it was weird. It was strange. Here we go, the first pass anyway. Feather blade for the second time. Merkur 39C Slant, aka the Sledgehammer. Absolutely love this razor. Mind you what, I love every razor I've got. I love every soap that I've got. Because I'm really careful. I research and read up on, and then I only buy it if I know I'm gonna like it. Really good for getting up to the nostrils, as you can see. Yeah, I research a lot because I don't want to get a soap or a cream or anything like that, and I'm gonna be disappointed. I don't like that. I don't want to be like, oh, what a waste, and that money could have gone to something else. I need an haircut. I might let my hair grow a bit and stay around. Might have a head shave after the winter, but I always keep it short to the bone. Feather works great in this razor, to me. Like I said in previous videos, I get on really well with the feather blades. I always look forward to the second shave with a feather. It's absolutely fantastic blade to make. It's got to be in one of my top fives. The only thing I don't know, I haven't researched or anything, can any of you guys tell me? You get the feather blades, some are in with the pack that are black, and some are yellow, and they both say high stainless. Can any of you guys let me know what the difference is? Because feeling it in the razor while I'm shaving, they both feel the same to me. It could be the same blade and different packaging. I don't know. I really don't know. Fantastic first pass. Oh yeah. Great first pass. Oh, what's this weather been like where you are? Over here in North Wales, God. Saturday, oh my God, it absolutely rained all day. I got absolutely soaked. Sunday wasn't much better either. Had a little bit of break had a little bit of break in the clouds now and again, but I believe there's been a bit of flooding down London way. One extreme to another. Bit of heat. Yeah, good grip on this. Right, second pass across the grove. Yeah, I'm into my Japanese stuff. That's why I love the labels of the A&E soaps. They're not all Japanese, I know, but the ones that they do have, I absolutely love the labels. I buy the soap just for the tub and the label. Absolutely beautiful. Because I love my Japanese stuff, but I don't know if you noticed maybe you picked up on my arm, one of my tattoos. I know it's going to be upside down, but it's a samurai warrior. And on the other side I have, don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? That's the wife's name in Japanese. Mrs. B's name, Caroline. I got it in Japanese just in case we ever split up. I could tell people that says anything. Oh, sorry, Kat, that was a joke. I know she's going to watch this later on. It was a joke. And on my calf, on my right leg, I have the full length of the calf. I have a koi carp jumping out the water, and I've got some water lilies. And cherry blossom flowers. And I got the tattoo in memory of my mother. I lost my mother to cancer. In 2015. And I got the, like I say, the tattoo in memory of her. And on the koi's fin, I've got the cancer ribbon wrapped around the fin. And it looks really cool. Obviously I can't show you. I'm not that nimble. I have to put my leg above my head. Yeah, but it's a really cool tattoo. And that took 6 hours, all in one session. Now if you guys know who've got tattoos, sitting there for 6 hours in one session takes some doing. But what it did at the end of it, I know it's a shaving channel, but I'm just telling you a bit of background. It like gave me a dead leg for about 2-3 days later. I had a limp. I could barely walk because it bruised my calf that much, but it was worth it. And the reason why I brought that up is because if any of you guys that have subscribed or watching from Worldwide Wet Shavers, they are doing a breast cancer awareness raffle. I can't put a link in, I don't think. I mean, I'll try if I can. They're doing a breast cancer awareness raffle, and the last date, it ends on the 31st of October. And I think that's absolutely brilliant. Oh, it's so slick, smooth. Honest to God, guys, it's like, it feels like silk on your skin. Beautiful. Yeah, so if you want to take a look, I'll try and pull a link. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. But if you have a look on Facebook, they're doing a breast awareness charity, cancer research raffle. And it just reminded me of Mum and everything like that. So that's that was that. Right, third pass across the grove. Here we go. Enjoying this. And I'm looking forward to the next shave, and I'm not going to change my mind on the next shave, because this one I changed my mind about 2-3 times what I was going to use. And I used to plan ahead 2 or 3 shaves and stick to it, but lately I've been changing my mind, but I really did want to use this soap. I've been so looking forward to it. But absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing soap. And I've had to invest in a new light for the darker days with the winter, the autumn and winter, because the last video, I mean, some of it was okay, but I was a little bit disappointed with the camera, struggling to focus. I didn't have it set in for like the really dark, like nighttime settings, and after I'd watched it back, I changed the settings on the camera and it only improved slightly. So I invested in a light which is above the camera. I hope it's working. I hope it works okay. I mean, I know the background might be a bit dark, but the shave's the main thing in it. That's what it's all about, the shaves. This is a great shave. Don't know if the camera, the microphone, get me mucking words fuddled. I don't know if the microphone can pick that up, but can you hear that? It like echoes, magnifies the sound, hold me mouth like. Great sound. Great acoustics. Yeah, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I was working Saturday, but I didn't necessarily have a bad night's sleep. I was tired and went to bed a bit early, and I just woke up at 2:30 in the morning. So I just went down and caught up on some shaving videos, as you do. Little weaver there. Always getting the top lip anyway. Means it's close. Shouldn't need as much work on that top lip then. I hate it. The growth grows in so many different directions. Little weeper. Let's get those last bits by the old lip line. Well, the feather in that's done a great job. It's a great razor. It's one of my favourite Merkurs. Mind you, they're all my favourites, I suppose. As you know, I love the Merkur razors. I'm not paid or sponsored. Oh, speaking of which, I do believe, if anybody can correct me, I do believe that Merkur, Sledgehammer have just been bought out, taken over. Because they were, I think they were they about to go into liquidation or bankruptcy or something, which I don't understand. But they've been bought out, as far as I know. I don't know who the company or the people have taken it over. But I wondered why stocks were running out and not getting replaced. Because I do intend, I mean, I've got quite a few Merkurs, but I want the whole family. Oh, eventually I intend to have the whole family of Merkurs. I love them that much. So yeah, if any of you guys know, pick up time. Then let me know if you know any information. Which is a shame really, because I didn't hear anything that was going on. That they were in trouble or anything. You know, to be bought out, you know, sold or... Oh yeah. Remember that time. I'll do it first. And thanks to new subscribers, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Taking the time to watch these videos and me BSing and deciding to subscribe, I really appreciate it. Sorry if I go quiet, but I'm really enjoying this. This is a great shave. Again. And I've got a new soap coming as well. A new soap and a new brush, which I'm going to use in the next shave. It should be here by then. I hope it's here by then anyway. Oh, fantastic. Rinse that off. Like cold water rinse. Fresh towel. Nope. Alum Block. You were a bit late then reminding me. Alum Block, I'm loving the Alum Block. Yeah, it sting there when I had a few weepers, but just a tad around the chin, nothing major. Excuse me, got it in the mouth. Yeah, just a little tad on the old chin as well. But hey, I don't mind. Either means it's over shapen or it's close. I don't care either way. Right, fresh towel. Oh yeah. Oh, even Last Samurai, one of my favourite movies. Oh, guys, another great shave. Right, aftershave. The aftershave I decided on, Paul's a bit steamed, is Jovan Musk. Absolutely love this scent. Absolutely love it, and it does go well with that naked, if you know what I mean. Just smell it, we'll find out how it goes now. This might sting. Yeah, just, oh, yeah, it does. That goes really well. That goes really well. Oh, I'm glad I chose that. But it is versatile. There's so many aftershaves that go with it. I just decided on this because one of the reasons I haven't used it for a while. I love musk scents. Right, balm today is gonna be Nivea Cool Sensitive Balm. Give it a shake. What a great shave. Yeah, so don't forget, if you want to check out Worldwide Wet Heads, no it's not, that's Paul H. Wet Heads. If you want to check out Worldwide Wet Shavers, they're doing a breast cancer awareness raffle until the 31st of October. Oh, what a shave. I feel like a new man. Right, I really enjoyed that. That was a fantastic shave. Right, I'm probably bins them. Right. Soap. Ariana and Evans, A&E, Revolution. So much going on in this soap when you open it. Oh, amazing, absolutely fantastic soap. Really, honest to God, it's like silk on the skin. It's beautiful. Recommend. Brush. We use the Yaki 24mm. It doesn't say, but it's the Yaki 24mm Tuxedo synthetic knot, and it's the brown marble handle. My new bowl, made up the bowl. Not much in there. It might look a lot, but it's not. Yeah, I love this bowl. Got the file underneath. Nice bowl. I once won one of them for ages. Merkur of Sledgehammer 39C Slant, aka the Sledgehammer. Fantastic performing razor for me. Great heavyweight. Great heavyweight. Sounds like Muhammad Ali. We use the Alum Block after the cold rinse, the Welsh water. And then we use the Jovan Musk cologne. It's aftershave cologne. Beautiful. Love the Jovan. And then we finished off with the Nivea Men Sensitive Cooling Balm. And that's a fantastic shave. Thanks for joining me, guys. Thank you very much for taking the time. Thank you to new subscribers. Have a great week for the rest of the week. Have some fantastic shaves and stay safe. Whatever you do with all this COVID going up again, everything, stay safe, look after yourselves, and I'll see you on the next shave. See you then, guys. Bye for now. Bye.